Crisp, clear, revolutionary. Welcome to the world of Apple AirPods Pro 2. The epitome of sound quality and innovative technology all wrapped up in one sleek package. In the heart of every earbud pulsates the soul of an Essence driver. A marvel of engineering that delivers exceptional audio performance, setting a new benchmark in the realm of wireless audio. But what's superior sound without comfort? With the Apple AirPods Pro 2, comfort is not just an afterthought. It's a design philosophy. To deliver an unparalleled audio experience without compromising on comfort. No two ears are alike. That's why the Apple AirPods Pro 2 are designed with a universal fit. They nestle into your ears like they were made just for you. And with the added feature of sweat and water resistance, they're as ready for a workout as they are for a work call. Now, let's talk about durability. The Apple AirPods Pro 2 are not just another pair of earbuds that you'll replace in a few months. They're built to last, to withstand the rigors of daily use and still deliver that same outstanding audio performance day in and day out. And we can't possibly forget about the virtual surround sound, can we? With 7.1 virtual surround sound, the Apple AirPods Pro 2 transport you into the heart of the action. Whether you're watching a movie, playing a game, or just listening to your favorite song, not just about hearing, it's about experiencing. But what sets the Apple AirPods Pro 2 apart in this crowded market? It's the seamless integration of stylish design and impressive sound quality. It's the commitment to innovation and the relentless pursuit of perfection. It's the balance of form and function, of style and substance. The Apple AirPods Pro 2 are more than just a pair of earbuds. They're a statement, a testament to the power of innovation and the promise of quality. With exceptional sound quality, innovative technology, superior comfort, and durability, they're not just changing the way we listen to music, changing the way we experience sound. So if you're looking for an audio experience that's a cut above the rest, look no further than the Apple AirPods Pro 2. Because when it comes to sound, there's good, there's great, and then there's Pro 2. Having given you an in-depth look at the Apple AirPods Pro 2, let's now weigh the pros and cons. On the plus side, these earbuds offer exceptional sound quality, innovative technology, superior comfort, and robust durability. They're designed to last, and they deliver a sound experience that is second to none. However, there are a couple of potential downsides to consider. First, the high price point. The Apple AirPods Pro 2 are definitely a premium product and their price reflects that. And second, potential compatibility issues with non-Apple devices. While they work seamlessly with Apple products, you might encounter some hiccups if you're using them with other brands. In the end, the decision is yours. But one thing is for sure, the Apple AirPods Pro 2 are a game changer in the world of wireless audio. They're not just a pair of earbuds, they're a whole new way to experience sound. And for many, that's worth every penny.